Every day I picked her up, I would get the long list of things that she did wrong. I picked up the phone to call Marissa because nothing at all that I was doing was working, and nobody else was helping. I'd called the pediatrician, been working with play therapy. I'd talked to a pediatric psychologist. Family had stopped inviting us over. Natalie was miserable, our family was miserable, and it got to the point where my child desperately needed me to do something else.
And she's just thriving now. So like now her quirkiness is one of her biggest assets because she can see the world in a different way. Her brain being wired differently, her biggest asset, not her biggest crutch. And just to see that she's now not like loaded down with all of this stuff, I can sort of in hindsight see an epiphany of just how loaded down she was. Now that we've taken those things away from her, like how much she's thriving now. And we are now a year in, and I have a completely different child who's able to function as expected at school, at home, in public places. I kind of think before we were lagging behind in skills. I kind of think we're now on target to maybe when we reach kindergarten be in front of the curve. So I don't know.
Yes, that's my girl. Good job, mama.